Hey guys, my name is Amit and today again I have come with an interesting topic. So today we would be learning through the video like if we have a data in a small way or in I would say expanding way or in a big way, right? If we have a big data, so of course sometimes what we are needing it like we would like to get the data in a chart or a graph so that we can recognize the things, right? And that's going to be visible, in an easy way so that we can I would say observe like the numbers and everything. Like if you talk about the production or any data, like you understand that, right? So why we would get data in chart and graphics so that we will have this data in a small way, and that's going to be easy to understand, right? That's the basically way, that is the basic way, that this is the only reason that we get this data, right? So today in this video we would be learning if we have a complete data, whether it's a small, whether it's an expanding way or a big data, so how we gonna be getting this data in the chart or graph, how we would be getting it. So let's go and start the video. And you can see guys, we have right now a small data. I have a small data, but you guys may have a big data or a small one, so that doesn't matter. Now the topic is we have to get this data in a chart or in a graph, but in a particular column or a row. How we're gonna be doing it? Let's go and start the video. So friends, you can see there's on the top we have got a tab by name of insert. In the insert, let's go and come here. You can see recommended charts and everything. So here you can see that we have next one in a spark lines, line, column and win and loss. So we'll go ahead and select the line. I select line here, and now you can see this is a small dialog box which will have open up if you're going to click on that particular topic, which is here by the name of line. And now you can see it is asking you to put a data range, right? What would be the data range? So I'm going to select this data range over here. See, that's my data and it has taken now. Now you can see the next column, it is needing to put us a number. What number? Like the location. What location do you want to get this data in a graph or in a chart? So I'll go ahead and select over here. I would like to get this data here. No, I'll just go and select this data first from here. All right, you can see that, and I'll come here and select this one. So it is asking a location where you want to get it. So I'm going to select this one. All right, first I'm going to clear everything and then would select here F2. It will be locked up here. Okay, you can see it's coming with $1. That means this location has been locked. Hit click or hit OK. All right, now you can see this. I have got this line in particular. Now I would like to get this complete data in a complete column with the chart. Now you can see this. I have got the chart over here, so you can check this data in a chart in a particular column. And now here, let's go and do this thing again here. Here again, I would like to get a graph or a chart. How are we going to be doing it? Let's go back to the insert tab again, and here again we have the column chart has been selected. We'll go and take the range over here. It has been selected. Now you can see this location range. It already has taken a range because we already have a cursor in that particular G. It's a cell, right? It's cell number G2, which is being locked with a $sign. I told you why we use dollar, to just lock the cell. So if you really would like to get something, I would say in an explaining way, so you go and check my video. I have made a video on $sign, that why we would get dollar in a particular cell or a row. Okay, so let's go and select OK. I have done that here. And now you can see if you would like to get all data in this column with a chart or graph, you can see and select this. Okay, now you can see this. I hope guys that was a very nice idea to convert the data in a graph or chart in a particular row or column. It was very nice idea, very nice way. So I hope you guys would be liking this video. If you really like the video, please, I'm just asking you to like the channel and like the video and share the video with their friends so that they also would have a benefit after all if they watch this video. So it was the thing today guys. I hope it was a nice one. Thank you so much for watching the video. You have a good day. Bye bye.